The REPOSALbrand has overcome the technical challenges of the double-helix winding process with the electrodes of radiofrequency ablation catheters, empowering the precise manufacturing of minimally invasive medical devices. In response to challenges such as the easy deformation of flexible polyimide thin tubes and the regulation of the pitch of the double helix, a dedicated winding machine has been independently developed. Through intelligent parameter regulation and a comprehensive process design, it has achieved adaptive adjustment of the winding tightness and flexible adaptation of the curvature. It precisely controls the spacing of the double helix and reserves the space for the thermocouple, ensuring the precise arrangement and stable structure of the electrode coils. Its innovative winding technology can quantitatively adjust the curvature of the finished product, providing a reliable guarantee for cardiac electrophysiological treatments and tumor ablation surgeries. If you have special precision winding requirements, you are welcome to inquire and cooperate. REPOSAL is committed to working together with you to achieve common benefits.